Sum of exterior angles of a convex polygon. So the first thing you need to understand is what is the meaning of a convex polygon. In a convex polygon, each angle is less than 180 degree. Okay, so let's say we've been looking at some figures till now. I'll just reproduce one of them. So this figure is basically having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So this is what? This is a hexagon, right? Where n is equal to 6. So in a hexagon, if you find out the interior angle, we know that in an interior angle basically is equal to what? 180 degree minus exterior angle. 180 degree minus exterior angle we know is how much? 360 upon n degree, or 180 minus 360 upon 6 degree, right? So we get 180 minus 360 divided by 6 is 60 degree, 120 degree, right? So in this particular hexagon, what we notice that each of these angles is 120 degree, right? So in such a case, what happens is this is a convex polygon. Why? Because each angle is less than 180 degree. Okay. Now, if you were to find out what is the sum of all the exterior angles of a convex polygon, so you basically are looking at this angle, this angle, this angle, this, and this. Let's call them as A, B, C, D, E, and F. If you have to find out the sum of all the exterior angles of a convex polygon, how do you calculate it? The sum of all exterior angles of a convex polygon is equal to 4 right angles. So this is for the exterior angles. Now in the same thing, the sum of all interior angles is equal to 2n minus 4 right angles. A little different, right? So basically in this case what is happening is, again, it's a measure of right angles, but it is 2n minus 4. So let's say in a hexagon you had 6 sides, so this will be equal to 2 into 6 minus 4 right angles, which is 8 right angles. Okay, should we take an interesting concept here? Let's do that. So sum of exterior angles of a regular polygon or a convex polygon, which is also a regular hexagon here, is 4 right angles, or 4 into 90, 360 degree. For same hexagon, the sum of all interior angles is 8 right angles, or 8 into 90, 720 degree. Now if you take a sum of the exterior plus interior angles, you will get 360 plus 720, or 1080 degree, right? Now each of these lines is a straight line, so each exterior and interior angle taken together represents a straight line, which is what? 180 degree, right? So if you actually do the sum of this, so each side represents 180 degree. So there are how many sides? 6 sides. 6 into 180 degree is equal to 180 degree, which is interestingly the same thing that we have got here. Okay,